Yeah, hi, good evening. Hope everyone see my screen, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, you have not uploaded the book.
Yeah, book actually I will upload later. Okay, so book I will upload it. I will give the different drive link for book. Book and
Okay.
notes I will give the
Okay.
different drive link. Okay, so only for the recording
Okay,
session I will upload here.
okay, sir.
Okay, so in the last class, actually, what we discussed, actually, we start with trace set. So, trace set is nothing but just to identify or trace the path. So, how I'm going to reach the destination from source to destination, how I'm reaching. So, what all are the routers I'm crossing. So, we can easily identify using a trace set. Okay, so in a, end devices, we can use a trace set T or ACERT, and the network devices, we can use as a trace route. Both the meaning will be same only. Okay, just it is used to identify the path only, and we discuss this one. And next we start with the port number. So port number I said there will be a 0 to 65,535 port number is there globally. Okay, so first 1024 ports are reserved for some purposes. Instead of 1024 ports. Okay, so we need to know some mandatory port number or well-known port number. Okay, so here I just taken as a 11 port numbers only. For HTTP it's 80, HTTPS is 443, and FTP is 20 and 21, and TFTP is 69, DHCP is 67 and 68, DNS is 53, ARP is 219, Telnet is 23, SSH is 22, SMTP is 25, and NTP is 123. So these are the major port numbers we need to know. Why I'm saying this is mandatory means actually in real time. Okay, in companies we are using this port numbers frequently. Maybe day to day also we will use it. Sometimes in a firewall or something else we have to block or allow means. So based on the port number only we will block or allow it. The if example if you want to allow Facebook, okay, in your companies, so Facebook how we are using, we are using via HTTPS, correct? So normally we are using via browser, correct? So that means we have to give this port number 443. Then only you have to map the port number. Then only Facebook allow or block, depends on the company requirement. We can allow or block it based on the port number as well. So port number also is required to connect or allow your network or block your network. So port number is mandatory to know. So these are the basic and mandatory port numbers we need to know. These are the things we have discussed on last class. So any doubts?
Sir, I have
No,
one.
sir.
Yeah, good.
So, you told like we need a port number for like if you are doing Facebook.com or anything, it will be go to that particular port only. Is it
Yeah,
like that?
yes, correct. Yeah. So, for example, mostly whatever we are using, maybe you want to maybe hope everyone know about the Google Drive, correct? So, if you want to access a Google Drive,
Yeah.
okay, so we can accessing the two way. One is via HTTPS also we can access it. Via FTP also we can access it. Okay, so that time you have to block or allow means so particular port number you have to allow or block it. The port number also while doing actually, while actually I also said after the we complete the routing. Okay, so while doing the firewall session, that time I will tell you how we can block or allow based on the port number. So as of now, just I am given
Okay.
the port number only.
Okay. Okay.
So anyone having any doubts?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let's start today class. Okay, so today what we discuss means actually we are going to discuss about cables. Okay, so what are the cables we know?
Ethernet cable.
Yeah, Ethernet cable, the Ethernet cable called as a LAN cable. Okay, so any other cable?
It was like LAN cable, WAN cable, like that.
Okay, so LAN cable, WAN cable. Okay, okay, okay. So what are the cable is there in a market means there will be some cable will be there. Okay, so like coaxial cable. Have you heard about coaxial? So if you're engineering background like computer networks or electronics, so that time you can hear this word coaxial cable. Correct, coaxial. So next cable is twisted pair cable. Coaxial cable. Next one is twisted wire cable. Third one is fiber optic. Fiber optic. Okay. So before going to this one, okay. So I'm asking a general question. Okay. So like you have two countries. Maybe just take as example as two countries or two states, whatever it is. Okay. So this is India here. Okay. So this is a US. Okay. So I want to communicate from India to US. Okay. So how we can communicate? Okay. So I will give the option. Okay. One is we can communicate via satellite. Right? We can communicate via from India to US. We can communicate via satellite. Okay. So otherwise we can connect a cable to communicate. Okay. So which one we are using? Whether satellite or cable?
Cable we'll use, sir.
Okay. Why we are not using satellite?
Uh, because it might be a chance to get disconnected, or interruption will be there. But in the cable, it won't be.
Okay. So for India to US, we can connect. It is possible from India to US.
So as I know, like there's an optical fiber cable. Like basically, the internet comes from out of India, right?
Mm-hmm.
So under the ocean, they put the cable and they get it to India, and
Yes.
they scatter from there.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So why actually we can communicate both the way. Satellite also we can communicate, cable also we can communicate. But as of now, we are communicate via cable only. Okay. So why we are not able to communicate via satellite means we can communicate, but the interruption happen. One thing. Okay. The next thing is the difference between Earth and satellite. It's correct. I think approximately more than 1 lakh kilometer. Correct. So if I want to reach from Earth to satellite, then again satellite to Earth, it will take some time. Okay, maybe you are getting a slowness issue. So that's what we are not using the satellite. Okay, one is slowness will happen. Next one is interruption maybe happen. Okay, so that's what we are using cable. Okay, so cable means yes, we are using a cable only. Okay, so under the sea there will be a multiple cable to going on. I think last year also the Modi ji opened from India Chennai to Andaman. Okay, from optic fiber cable. Okay, so under the sea. Okay, so from Chennai to Andaman, I think last year June, July, August. I'm not sure. 2020 is opened from the Chennai to Andaman under the sea cable. Okay, under the sea there is a optic fiber cable is there. Okay, so why we are using optic fiber means the speed is good. Okay, so there is a LED transmission if you're using fiber optic. Okay, so LED transmission speed is good, so that's what we are using fiber optic. Okay, so who will manage the fiber optic cable under the sea means there's some companies they are managing. Okay, so just for your information I will tell you. Okay, for in India, which one we are using, which company they are managing means Tata Communication is the major vendor to manage the fiber optic communication. Tata. Okay, so for past 4 to 5 years, Geo also taking some areas. I think second one will be Geo. Okay, but I'm not sure exactly. Okay, so Geo is the second major. I think 27,000 kilometer they are managing in India. Geo company. So apart from, so most of the company, most of the areas, okay, Tata Communication only managing in India. Okay, so worldwide who is managing major vendor means Verizon company. The company called Verizon. Okay, some companies, some countries, the government itself they are managing. Okay, so some countries, I'm not sure of the exact countries. Okay, some countries, their government itself they are managing the cable. Okay, so for India to US, okay, so we are communicating via cable only. Under the sea, okay, we are communicating with the fiber optic cable. Okay, fiber optic cable only. So why actually we are using fiber optic means is a LED transmission, fast also very good. And one more advantages in fiber optic means, okay, so whatever the kilometer or the distance, okay, if you pass the LED in one end, maybe you are passing the LED here, okay, so maybe a LED light, you are passing any flashlight or LED light, automatically it will be reflecting here if you have a proper connectivity. Okay, so automatically it will be replicated in the another destination end. Okay, so maybe the distance, okay, it is not an issue. Okay, so it will be receive the LED transmission. Okay, if you, if example, if the cable has lost here, then you will not get the here. Okay, maybe some device is there to find where the exactly in the under the sea, where the exactly the cable has disconnected. There's some um, I'm not sure about the name, okay, about the device. Okay, I think there's a to find the where the exactly the cable has damaged. They can easily find it. Who is managing means the Tata Communication company is managing. Okay, so fiber optic is an LED transmission. Fast is good. Okay, so that's what under the sea. Okay, so as of now we are using fiber optic only. This is about the fiber optic cable. Okay, and next one is a coaxial cable. Coaxial cable also we are not using nowadays for the network communication. Okay, so why we are not using coaxial cable means I'll show you about the coaxial cable. Okay, so coaxial cable, the TV dish antenna is there, correct? So this is the dish antenna we are connecting. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so this is the coaxial cable. Okay, so why we are not using coaxial cable in network communication means, you can see here in between there is a one wire, correct? So this is which wire? It's a copper wire. Okay, so it is a copper wire. Okay, so if any issues in the copper wire, this is a single copper wire. Okay, this is a single copper wire. Okay, so if any issues happen in the copper, okay, so we can't able to communicate anything. So network is a very important to transfer the data, to communicate the information, to communicate the data. Okay, so if the cable is damaged, we can't use, we can't send the data, we can't communicate to the destination. That's what we are not using the copper coaxial cable nowadays. Only for telecommunication only they are using, but in network communication we are not using coaxial cable nowadays. Okay, this is about a coaxial cable. So next, which one we are using means we are using twisted pair cable. So there will be two types of twisted pair is there. One is a shielded twisted pair, shielded twisted pair. Next one is unshielded twisted pair. Have you heard the word shielded, unshielded? Okay, unshielded twisted pair. Nowadays we are using LAN cable, correct? So what is a LAN cable means? The UTP cable we can't call as a, the unshielded twisted pair cable. We can shortly call as a UTP. So this is our LAN cable. So we are using a LAN cable, correct? The exact technical name will be UTP cable. As a technical person, if you want to buy a LAN cable, you have to ask, I need a UTP cable. Because the LAN cable or Ethernet cable, this is a common name. If you are a network admin or a technical person, okay, you have to ask, so I need a UTP cable. So UTP cable, the exact the LAN cable. So what we are using nowadays, okay, that is a UTP cable only we are using. Shielded to shield by STP cable we are not using nowadays. In a old days we are using for long, for large distance communication. Maybe if you want to communicate maybe some areas Chennai to Bangalore, so that time we are using shielded twisted pair. But now actually it will be we are using fiber optic only to communicate the larger distance or smaller distance. So that's what we are using nowadays. We are not using shielded twisted pair. Maybe some companies maybe they will use it, but most of the companies they are using fiber optic and UTP cable only. Okay, so why means cost is also is very high. Shielded twisted pair. Okay, in coaxial cable what I said, it's a single copper wire, correct? Twisted pair means 8 copper wire, both shielded and unshielded. Okay, there will be 8 copper wire is there. Have you seen the 8 copper wire, the LAN cable? Okay, so what are the color will be there in the LAN cable means, okay, here you can see I am putting the two rows. What are the two rows? Actually, one is A row, next one is a B row. Okay, A row I mentioned white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Okay, in the B row, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Okay, so which one we are using nowadays means I will tell you the cable color coding. Okay, I said 8 color coding, correct? 8 cable, 8 copper wire. Okay, so why we are using 8 copper wire means one is for transmitter plus, next one is transmitter minus, next one is receiver plus. Okay, fourth one will be voltage plus, voltage minus, receiver minus, seventh and eighth will be dummy. Seventh and eighth is dummy. Here also you can see here transmitter plus, transmitter minus, receiver plus, receiver plus, voltage plus, voltage minus, receiver minus, and seventh, eighth is dummy. Okay, so you can see here seventh and eighth both are same, correct? The same thing here also, voltage plus, voltage minus, same. Okay, okay. So you can assume this is a source end, this is a source, and this one is destination. Okay, in the source end, if you are transmitting the receiver, what you need to get the source end. If you are transmitting the data, the receiver, so in the destination, what they will do? They will receive, correct? If you're transmitting the data, the destination, what it will do? It will be receiving the same. Transmitter minus means here a receiver minus. Here transmitter means you will get a receiver. Okay, this is a receiver. Okay, so this are while putting a transmission here. Okay, you have to receive. That means in the first year. Okay, so what you can get it. This is a crossover cable. What I am explaining is this is a crossover cable. What is a crossover cable means? Okay, both the end will be the color coding will be different. Okay, so here transmitting means, okay, you can see your color. Okay, here I am putting white, green means what in the third I will get it white, green. Okay, so if you can see here the sixth two receiver, correct? Sorry, two is green here, sixth will be green. Okay, so third you can see white, orange. Here I'm getting white, orange. Here orange, orange. And 4 5 will be same. Voltage plus, voltage minus, both end will be same. And you can see the dummy, both the dummy also will be same. Okay, so this is a crossover cable. Crossover cable is the exact cable we need to use, but nowadays we are not using crossover cable. Why? Anyone knows why we are not using crossover cable? But actually we have to use the exact crossover cable only we need to use. Okay, because the sender is sending means the receiver, the destination, what it will do, they need to receive it, correct? That's what I mentioned here. If the sender is transmitting, so the destination we have to receive the data. Okay, so this is the exact cable we have to use, but in real time in companies we are using only the crossover cable. Not only companies, in our LAN cable also we are using straight cable, not crossover cable. We are using straight cable. Straight cable means both the end will be the same color coding. Okay, so here also I'm putting transmitter plus, transmitter minus, receiver plus, voltage plus, voltage minus. Okay, so here receiver minus, and both are dummy. Seventh and eighth will be dummy. Okay, here transmitter plus, transmitter minus, receiver plus, voltage minus, receiver minus. Okay. Okay. So straight cable means what I said, both the end will be the same color coding. All the both the end, if you're searching the LAN cable, okay, so both the end will be the same color coding. Okay, here you can see here, if you're putting transmission, here what it will do, here also transmitter, it is work.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah,
so
Sudarshan.
can you please show me the crossover cable?
Crossover cable, this one you have to
Yes,
see.
yes. So you told me that they are not similar in that one. They are not in
Yeah,
order,
yes,
right?
yeah, correct, yes, correct, both the order will
But
be
why
same.
they are using like that, sir?
Sorry.
But why they are using like that?
So we have to use like that only. Actually, we here like you're putting transmission. What the destination will do? The destination will receive, correct. While transmitting the data in the source end, what the destination will
Okay,
do?
sir.
Destination will receive only, correct. So
Yes,
that's the
sir.
exact meaning. So if I'm sending a message, you have to receive it, correct. If, for example, if I'm sending a WhatsApp group a
So
hi,
which one is more effective, sir? The crossover cable,
actually both are same only. Okay,
crossover
so
cable, or
both the same only. Okay, in the straight cable, okay, there is a one technology will be there. Okay, what is the technology? I'm not sure the exact technology. In all the computer NIC, all the NIC, okay, I think SFD, I'm not sure the exact technology. Okay, this technology what it will do means automatically, okay, well, if the first cable is receiving, automatically it will be changing transmitter to receiver. There's a technology. So after you're getting the laptop or desktop 2000 or 2005, I'm not sure the exact year, I think around the 2002 to 2005, that year only they are introducing this technology. In a older days only we are using crossover cable, but nowadays we are using a straight cable only for all the companies. Maybe some companies, if they are using older device, maybe before 2005, before 2000 they are getting means, that time they will use the sorry, crossover cable. Crossover cable means both then will be the different color coding. So this is also not an issue. Okay, so this is not an issue. I'm just saying both then will be the different color coding. If you're using a straight cable, both then will be the same color coding. This which one means the B row, white orange, orange white green, both. In here you can see I am putting an example. Okay, straight cable means both then will be the same color coding only. Crossover cable means both then will be the different color coding. The LAN cable, okay, if you search, see here, okay, so pin 1, here you will get pin 3. So this is the crossover cable we are using, but straight cable means both then will be the same color coding. That means automatically there will be an option to change the technology. If the transmitter means, here they will change this to receiver plus, here is receiver minus, here transmitter plus, here transmitter minus. There's one technology to convert transmitter to receiver, receiver to transmitter. Whatever the sender end is sending, the destination end need to be received. There is an option to change the colors, not colors, they will change the technology like transmitter to receiver. So we are using nowadays in a companies, we are using a straight cable only. So in our home LAN cable also we are using a straight cable. If you are checking your LAN cable, okay, so this is the order, the B row. If you are checking the B row, okay, so this is the order. If you are checking, both then will be the same order only: white orange, orange white green, blue white blue, green white brown, and brown.
Sir, what is this 246 stands for?
Yeah, I will tell you. I will tell you. So this one you will understood. Any doubt on straight cable,
And
crossover
A
cable?
and B means what, sir? What is the capital
Yeah,
A?
I'm just putting a row, just two row. So just there's a two color codings.
Yes, A is one color coding, or whether it is a transmitter or receiver side.
Which one? So both are actually we are using a B row only.
A1.
A1 is a transmitter. This is a transmitter here. White green. This is the order. White green, green, white
Okay,
orange, blue. Yeah.
A1 is a transmitter.
Yes, actually here transmitter means in the receiver end you have to receive it, correct? So that's what I'm putting here, this color coding. White green means here white orange. The third row you can see here, receiver, correct? Transmitter plus, transmitter minus, receiver plus. So that's what I'm putting, receiver plus here. Okay, so why I'm putting 246 different means,
Sir,
okay,
can you scroll up little bit?
okay.
Luna, come here.
Can you scroll little bit up before that?
Yeah, this one only actually, that's it, I didn't show you.
What is that? The color code title of what? Which cable?
Which one? This is a color coding.
Whether it is related to the network cable or a
Yeah,
telephone
network
cable?
cable. Network cable only I'm
Yes.
saying.
Color,
Network cable, LAN cable only.
color coding of which cable?
LAN cable. The normal
There are
network
different
cable.
types of cable in the network and LAN also.
Yeah, that's what I said. There's a two types of cable, straight cable, crossover cable.
Okay. So this is related to straight over or crossover?
So this is a cable. This is a color coding. Okay. So I'm just putting this is the order wise color coding. Okay. So in the LAN cable, I said there are eight copper wire will be there. Okay. This is the copper wire colors. If you're seeing in the your LAN cable, okay, so you can get this color coding only. The LAN cable in the end there is a RJ45 you are connecting, correct? LAN cable. So in the
Yes,
end,
that only when we
yeah, this
use
is
the
the order.
crimping tool,
Yeah.
how to put the color code.
Yeah, that's what if you're using a straight cable, you have to use this color coding.
What is the sequence?
If you're using a straight cable, that's what I'm putting. This is the order. You can't change this order. Straight cable means this is the order. One end will be white green, in another end will be the white orange. Sorry, crossover cable means one end will be white green, in another end will be you have to put the white orange. This is the order for the crossover cable. For the straight cable means you have to put both the end will be there. This is the order, B row order. Clear? Okay, fine. Okay, so in a network, okay, there will be three types of data
Not
communication.
yet, sir,
Hello.
because little bit
Actually,
confused.
your,
Related.
your voice is breaking for me. Hello. Actually, your voice is breaking. So anyone can hear me, correct? My voice is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. So in a network, okay, there will be three types of communication will be happen. One is a data communication. What is a data means? We are sending a files, folder, videos. That is a data communication. Okay. So nowadays we are using a voice call, correct? Over the internet, we are using voice call like WhatsApp voice call. We are using a voice call, correct? So this is a voice communication. And next one will be the we are using video call. Okay, that is a video communication. So these are the three types of communication we are nowadays we are using. One is a data. Data means if you are sending any files or folders or video, okay, that is a data. Okay, so you are using a voice call, correct? So that is a voice communication. You are using a video means the video call like a WhatsApp video call or some other video call. There is a video communication. Okay, in the LAN cable, okay, so the eight copper wire is there. Okay, so for voice and video, it is a very important, okay, because if any interruption happen, okay, your voice or video will be not clear, correct, in the destination end. Okay, so which cable is important for voice and video means the 246, like green, blue, orange. Here also you can see green, blue, orange. Okay, green, blue, orange is an important for voice and video communication. Okay, so this one we are not managing, just for your information only I am putting here. Okay, so there will be a cable vendor will be there. Okay, you can just understood we are using a LAN cable, that is a straight cable we are using, and the technical name we can call it as a UTP cable only. Okay, and one more case, cable is very important as an if you are a network engineer. Okay, you have to know one cable, that is a console cable. Okay, so straight cable, crossover cable, both the cable for the communication, maybe the data communication, voice communication, video communication, whatever it is, that both the cable is purpose for communication purpose. Okay, the console cable, this is the third cable, the console cable. Okay, okay, the last class I said, okay, so what I said, if you want to take a device, if you want to take a device, there's a two option. One is we have to take a physically, next one we have to take a remote. For remote purpose we are using both the protocols. One is telnet, next one is ssh, correct? So that is the two protocol we are using to communicate via to take a device remotely. Okay, if you want to take a device physically, we need a one cable to connect the device physically, that is cable called console cable. So console cable is purely only for configuration purpose. If you want to take a device physically, so this cable you have to connect your network device to your computer. Okay, so I will show you how the console cable will be there. Console cable. Okay, console cable, this is the console cable. Okay, you can see here console cable, there is a two end is there. One is a vj cable, next one is rj45 cable. Okay, so vj cable, okay, we are using in our desktop, there is a vj cable is there, correct? You have to put in your desktop here. Okay, and rj45 where we have to connect means, I'll show you. I'm just taking as a one switch, 2960, you can take any switch. Okay, so in the right hand side you can see here there's a two port is the correct. In the left hand side there's a 24 port or 48 port or 96 ports, it depends on the products. Okay, there will be a port that is called as a interface. Okay, interface. Okay, in the right hand side there's a two interfaces there. Okay, so this one interface is reserved for console. How we can identifying whether which one is for console means, in a cable they will put it. Okay, so the cable, okay, they will be mention some name, the console, like console, they will be there in the name will be there. Okay, console name will be there. Okay, or they will sticker it in the one interface. So which only one interface only is reserved for the console port or console interface. Only one port only is reserved for all the devices, not only switches, router, firewall, all the network devices. Only one port, one interface only reserved for the console. In the rj45 you have to connect here, and the vj cable you have to connect in your desktop. Okay, some laptop, I think the new laptop, all the new laptop, there is a don't have a vj cable, correct? So that time what we can use means, there is one converter is there, VJ to USB converter. You can see here VJ to USB converter is there. You have to buy additionally. Okay, normally whatever device you are procuring, maybe the switches or router or firewall, that time by default they will, Cisco products, I'm saying about Cisco products, they will be give the console cable. Okay, so you have to get the console cable. If you want to additionally, if you want
Sir, I
to,
use this cable, sir,
yeah, this cable, console cable is purely depends on the
because I worked in
configuration
Galore.
purpose. Sorry.
Because I worked in Galore
Oh, okay, okay. So the network device
as
also
a
we have
router
to.
tester. That's why I use this.
Okay, fine. Okay, for network devices such as router or firewall, okay, not only Cisco products, other products also there will be a console cable to take a device physically. Okay, so next question is, okay, if you are in Chennai or if you're in India, okay, so your device will be Bangalore, sorry, your device will be the US or Delhi somewhere. Okay, so if you one more thing you always remember, the first time if you want to configure any network devices, if for switches, router, firewall, first time if you are going to configure a device, you have to connect a console cable. Over the console cable only for the first time you can configure. After that you can take remotely. Okay, so hope everyone know most of the IT companies nowadays we are working from home, correct? So our switches will be some in the company area, maybe the US company or some other areas. Okay, your switches will be there. Okay, how we can go to configure the device for the first time? Okay, maybe you are working in a India company. Okay, so your project will be US or UK. Okay, so for I need to be go over there means not required. Okay, in the location there will be some people is there, correct? Okay, so you ask to them. Okay, so just to connected a cable in one end, another end you can just ask them to connect that guy laptop. Okay, so there is a multiple option to share the device, correct? Microsoft Teams, WebEx, just sharing the screen any days. Okay, so you ask them to share the screen, and you can take a device to take the computer, and you can configure. For the first time your device needs to be configured over the console cable only. After some configuration you can take a device remotely and then you can work it. Okay, the console cable is purely depends on the configuration perspective. So as a network admin or network engineer, you must know about this console cable. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine.
No, sir.
Okay, so next one is a cable category. This is the last one, last topic for cable. Okay, so next one is cable category. So which category we are using nowadays? I'll tell you. Category. There's a 4 categories there. Okay, Cat 4, Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7. I think now it will become Cat 8 also. Okay, Cat means category. Category 4, Category 5, Category 6, Category 7. Okay, so this nowadays actually Category 8 also will be there. Okay, what is the difference between each and every category means? Only difference is speed only. Okay, if you are using Category 4, your speed will be 10 Mbps. 1 Mbps. Yeah, 1 Mbps. Okay, so Cat 4, the speed will be 1 Mbps. Cat 5 is 10 Mbps. Cat 6 is 100 Mbps speed. Cat 7 is 1 Gbps. Nowadays I said Cat 8, correct? That is a 10 Gbps. Okay, each and every category, what is the difference means? The speed only difference. Okay, so in the technical name, we can call as a Cat 4 as a serial cable. The technical name, serial cable. This is a Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable. Next one is fast Ethernet cable. Fast Ethernet cable. Next one is gigabit Ethernet cable. Gigabit. Gigabit Ethernet cable. So that's what we call as a Ethernet cable. Correct? Ethernet cable means there is a 3 all Ethernet only. Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7 also Ethernet only. Okay, Ethernet means this is a Ethernet. This is a fast Ethernet, and this one is a gigabit Ethernet. Okay. So if you're using a Cisco products, okay. So nowadays we are using these two category only, Cat 6 and Cat 7 only. So if you're using a Cisco product, okay, maybe different product means
Excuse
they will
me, sir.
be, yeah, sure.
Yeah. When can you able to post this recording?
Yeah, each and every day I will record it. At the end of the session, I will record it
No,
with the date.
no. This no today one.
Yeah, I will after sometimes, maybe after 9:30 I will upload it.
9:30. Okay. So can I leave? I'm not. I have to go through the
Yeah,
before
yeah, okay, fine,
it's
okay, fine.
beginning.
Yeah, I will record the session. Okay, so you can just you can
Uh-huh.
just view the record. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next class.
Okay. Okay. Sir, thanks.
Okay, so nowadays we are using these two category only, Cat 6, Cat 7. Okay, so we can call as a fast Ethernet or gigabit Ethernet. Okay, I said Cat 8, correct? That is a 10 gigabit Ethernet. T and 10 gigabit Ethernet. That is a cable category. Okay, maybe if you are purchasing a switch or router, okay, whatever the speed you want, maybe the interface here also interface is there, correct? The switches 24 interface, 48 interface. Okay, the interface name also the same only. Fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet. If you are purchasing a switch as a fast Ethernet, then the speed will be 100 Mbps. If you are purchasing a switch or router, gigabit means 1 Gbps. Whatever you are purchasing based on the speed. Okay, so based on whatever the your company requirement. Okay, so maybe my company requirement is 100 Mbps. I can purchase a fast Ethernet switch or fast Ethernet router. Okay, so maybe your company required 1 Gbps speed means you have to purchase 1 Gbps. So which one is best means gigabit only. So that is a speed is good, correct? 1 Gbps speed per second, gigabit 1 gigabit per second. Okay, these are the cable category. Okay, and one more thing I mentioned here, this one I will tell you later. This is the cost value, not a cost amount. This is a cost value for each categories. This one I will use for some protocol in switching technology. Okay, so that time I need this value. Okay, so just a default value. This is a reservation cost value for each and every category. So if you're using a serial cable, the cost value is 1514. Ethernet means 100. Fast Ethernet means 19. Gigabit means 4. At least you have to remember this two 194. Fast Ethernet, gigabit. Okay, this is the cable category. So any doubts on cables? So I'm just giving basic only.
Sir,
So
what is that value you have done?
sorry.
What is that value you have written? 15, 1400 cost.
Cost value for the cable category. There's a reserved cost value. Okay, this value I will use it in one switching technology. That time I will tell you more on these values. This value is required to for some calculations. Okay, so anyone having any doubts on cables?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So I will go for the next topic. Okay, so next I will go for the configuration side. Okay, so shall we start the configuration today or tomorrow we can continue?
So already 15 minutes is there. We can start tomorrow itself. We'll go.
Tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow. I'm also facing the lot of network issue. That's why I was unable to join.
Okay, so tomorrow itself,
Please send this recording on, sir.
yeah, I will upload it in next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, once completed, I will upload it. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, whatever we are doing, okay, everything we can do the practical session also. Okay, maybe tomorrow we can do two topics. One is,
So I think the class is going to
Yes,
disconnect.
practical test is important, sir.
yeah, next class I think meeting going to end. If it is a end, you don't need to be rejoin again. Okay, maybe we'll discuss on tomorrow.